Apple introduced 3 cool new iPhones: iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, and iPhone 11 Pro Max. Let's see what's the difference between iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro. The display. iPhone 11 has a 6.1-inch liquid retina display, which is almost the same display on iPhone XR, but the iPhone 11 Pro features a 5.8 and 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR display, the best iPhone screen Apple makes. It's brighter in sunlight, and the high contrast ratio makes it perfect for HDR movies and HDR photos. Design. iPhone 11 has the same glass and aluminum design as iPhone XR, but the iPhone 11 Pro has a stainless steel body and a new glass which is tougher than before, and there is a new gorgeous midnight green color as well. The camera. iPhone 11 has a dual camera system. One 12-megapixel wide camera with 100% focus pixels, which can autofocus 3 times faster in low lights, and one 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, which is perfect for shooting landscapes and group photos. The iPhone 11 Pro has the same wide and ultra-wide camera as iPhone 11, along with a new telephoto camera. This triple camera system gives you 4 times optical zoom range. All 3 new iPhones featuring a 12-megapixel camera in front for selfies and slofies. And yes, slofies. Now you can shoot slow motion videos with the front camera as well. Also, if you like, you can shoot wide-angle photos too, which is great for group selfies. The chip. The new iPhones powered by A13 Bionic chip, which is the most advanced and the most intelligent chip ever in an iPhone. The CPU, GPU and neural engine are 20% faster but much more energy efficient. The battery. iPhone 11 Pro has the longest battery life ever in an iPhone, delivering up to 5 hours more than an iPhone XS Max, and the iPhone 11 Pro gives you up to 4 hours more than iPhone XS. Also, the iPhone 11 lasts up to 1 hour longer than iPhone XR. And another good news is that all of these iPhones comes with an 18-watt fast charger, so you can charge faster and your battery will last longer. Water resistance. Both iPhone Pro and iPhone Pro Max are water resistant up to 4 meters for up to 30 minutes, which is twice the depth of iPhone 11, and all of them are dust resistant and also spill resistance for common liquids like coffee, tea and soda. Capacity. On the iPhone 11 you can have up to 256GB storage, and on iPhone 11 Pro you can have up to 512GB of storage, but there is no 1TB storage this year. Price. This year Apple cut the price for iPhone 11 and reduced it to $699, but the iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max are still the same price as the last year. Also, don't forget that if you buy any of these iPhones, you will have 1 year subscription to the Apple TV Plus for free. Question of the day. Are you going to buy any of these new iPhones? What do you think about them? Are they worth it? Anyway, thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.